So welcome back again, it's unboxing time, and today I have something special. It's the Tamiya BMW K100, and this is my first ever built model kit, so it's good to go back to the roots, and I can say I remember perfectly how this kit is, but let's get into the box and see what's inside. So the kit is brand new because it is 36, if I'm not mistaken, years old. So let us see how the kits were back in those days. So let's get the box out of the way, and I can begin with the tires, springs, screws. Tires are perfectly molded. Let me take this out so you can see. So this is the rear tire, and as you can see, it's perfectly molded. Just a tiny bit of sanding here in the middle section to get this excess rubber off, but as you can see, looks pretty neat. So to another sprue, and we have here one loose part, no big deal. This is from the rear swing arm, I remember. And here we have engine parts. Again, you cannot tell how old this kit is because the parts are perfect. No flash, no excessive plastic, nothing. Perfect. Here we have some rims, the frame of the bike, rear fender, brake discs, footrests here, and the radiator. Again, clean and nice. Moving on. Here we have some. Oh, I don't remember this. The sprues are attached one to another here. If I had the patience, I could disassemble it, but as you can see, I just broke it, so doesn't matter. And here we have exhaust pipe, the seat with a bit of texturing, and some accessories here, the handles, rear view mirrors. And here in the white parts, let me separate this. Let me see if I can take it out. What's more work than I was expecting, so never mind. So here we have the body parts, front fender, the headlamp cover and the radiator cover, the back end of the bike, but it's nice. I don't see any flaws. If you check this, the fuel tank, and here it doesn't have anything you can point out in it. Looks very, very good. So, and the final one. We have the clear parts, the headlamp, the tail light, and the blinkers or turn signals. Not many clear parts. Decals, I hope they are in good condition, since they were sealed in a bag. They should be. This is the decals. And finally, we have the chrome parts. I don't like this kind of chrome. I don't remember if Tamiya was already using that satin chrome finish. It looks a lot nicer than this one, but I'll have to check to see if the bike had any real chrome or not, if this is supposed to be like this. And well, there you go, the BMW K100 from Tamiya, and I'll be starting this one right away, so see you in a bit.